Hey guys, we're gonna do the cruise of Les Calanques aujourd'hui. And today there's a fish market here in the old port. We're still looking for our boat. We should be there before 11.
Hey folks, welcome back to the Planet V. This vlog is a preview of what you're going to see if you opt for l'Essentiel des Calanques tour, a 2-hour trip covering the Calanques of Morjou, Sormiou, and Suguito. We paid 26 euros each for this trip, which we booked online, then secured our QR codes, and we were ready to explore this Mediterranean treasure. As you'll see here, we had a stunning view of the city's forts, the museums, divers along the coast, the iconic Notre-Dame de la Garde, and the distant coastal cities. I would say Marseille has so much to offer. As we left the old port, the warm breeze touched our faces and our guide began the tour. It was all in French, which added an extra layer of adventure given the distinct southern accent. Though I kind of had a hard time understanding the guide, still, I managed to catch some important information about the places we were about to see. As we cruised along, we passed by Château d'If. This island has a connection to the Count of Monte Cristo, a classic novel by Alexandre Dumas. It's the place where the novel's protagonist, Edmond Dantes, was imprisoned for years. Next up was Turtle Island, aptly named for its shape. We couldn't resist taking in the beauty of this unique spot. We chose our seats on the top of the boat to enjoy the vast view of the sea and the beautiful surroundings. The sun was scorching, but we came prepared with layers of sunblock to make the most of our day. The boat is also equipped with toilets and a small bar. Just a piece of advice. If you're one of the first people in line, you can opt to have the seats right in front of the boat as it will give you a better view. We missed that part, but if you have issues with seasickness, you might want to sit in the middle part of the boat. Our journey gave us a view of the Archipel de Riou, the island where the wreck of the plane of Antoine de Saint-Exupéry was discovered. This famous author and aviator wrote The Little Prince, a beloved book cherished by readers worldwide. Calanques de Marseille is a series of stunning coastal inlets which were formed through millions of years of tectonic uplift, limestone deposition, and erosion by water. The action of waves and rainwater on the soft limestone carved out these distinctive cliffs, caves, and narrow inlets, creating the beautiful landscape we see today. Calanques are now a protected national park and a popular destination for outdoor activities. We are now at the Calanques de Sormiou. Here, you'll find the Sormiou Beach, which is one of the most popular beaches in the Calanques. It features crystal clear waters and is surrounded by towering cliffs, providing a beautiful and tranquil setting for sunbathing and swimming. Calanques de Marseille. Marseille Beach is another stunning spot with a small fishing village nearby. It offers a relaxing environment for beach goers and is often visited by hikers and boaters.
Des calanques, nous avons bien sûr du sable, de la roche, mais surtout de la posidonie. Alors contrairement aux idées reçues, la posidonie n'est pas une algue, mais bel et bien une plante qui pousse, qui fleurit et qui meurt. Vous savez, c'est les petites languettes marron qu'on retrouve. Et sur la gauche, nous passons devant la calanque de Sugiton. Et au fond, la crique de rafraîche Kéou, qui signifie rafraîche-fesse en provençal. Alors, pour y venir, vous aurez le choix entre le bateau, la voiture et le bus. Et ça sera le numéro 23. Le numéro 22, excusez-moi. Il faudra par contre impérativement réserver sur le site de la mairie.
This is our last stop, which is the Calanques de Sugiton, which is renowned for its breathtaking beauty. It features crystal clear turquoise waters, rugged limestone cliffs, and lush Mediterranean vegetation. The contrast between the blue sea and the white limestone is truly striking.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a race. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to